You can still do winged liner if you have hooded eyes, but this technique might be a little bit easier. When you do your winged liner and it looks good with your eyes closed, but then when you open your eyes, it looks all distorted, this technique will help. If you have hooded eyes, prepping your eyelids is a non-negotiable. If you don't have eyeshadow primer, just use a concealer and then set it with powder. I'm using the Patrick Ta concealer, and this is the L'Oreal powder. This will help prevent any creasing and keep your eyeshadow lasting all day. For this technique, we're going to use a piece of tape and place it on the edge of our eye. For hooded eyes, don't place the tape up angled too high. Make it more outwards towards your temple. For this look, we're using the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, and we're going to go in with a light transition color on a fluffy brush. This will help create depth and dimension where there isn't any. This is the BK Beauty 212 brush. Then we're going in with the darker brown eyeshadow on a slightly smaller brush, and we're going to buff that right along the edge of the tape. If you have hooded eyes, try flicking the eyeshadow upwards right along the hood of your eye, and it will create a more open effect. Build it up to the intensity that you like. Now this step is completely optional, but since I have blue eyes, I'm adding a touch of this red-brown color to just enhance my eye. Then go in with a flat brush, this is a BK Beauty one, and place a light eyeshadow all over your eyelid. Keep it towards the inner corner to middle part of your eye. Go back in with a fluffy brush to blend everything together. Now take a pencil brush and black eyeshadow and buff it right along the tape. This is what we're going to use instead of liquid liner. Don't be afraid to go right on the tape because we have it there. We're going to get a really sharp, crisp line. Let's add a touch of glam with a little shimmer right in the inner corner. Now this step is optional. This might be my favorite part, taking off the tape. Now let's finish the lower lash line. Add a little bit of brown eyeshadow using a pencil brush to blend everything together. If you want your eyelashes to look thicker, tightline your upper waterline. Try using a bronze liner instead of black for a more summery look. I'm trying out these cluster lashes. This is a very natural way to wear eyelashes. Instead of glue, you use a bond on the bottom lash and then place the lash clusters on the underneath. Then seal. This is a great option for hooded eyes because it doesn't take up any lid space. Adding a little bit of mascara to blend everything together. This is the YSL Latex Mascara. Now I want to show you the completed look, so I'm just cleaning off any makeup that I already have on. This is the Bioderma Micellar Water, which is one of my faves. To prep my skin, I'm using the new Rhode Glazing Milk, which I've been using for a little bit and I've been enjoying it. And then I'm just going in with some light foundation with a new foundation brush by Morphe. They came out with this whole dual-ended line and I've been really liking all the brushes. Adding a little gloss so I don't look like a dead person. Adding some cream bronzer to warm up the skin. This is the new Summer Fridays. I've already used this a bunch of times and it's so easy to use. It's definitely something I would recommend to my beginner girls. I'm going to have everything linked in the description below, so make sure to check that out. I'll put a little pop-up here on how to find it because I know sometimes it's a little tricky on YouTube. This is for desktop and mobile is very similar. I'm just adding a little bit of concealer. What part of your makeup routine do you struggle the most with? Let me know in the comments below. I'm using two cream blushes by Makeup by Mario. One is like a very pink color, then the other one is a little bit almost like a burnt brick color. You do not need to use two blushes, but I've been wanting to use the darker one for a little while now. Since it is summertime while I'm filming this, I'm just setting my T-zone so I don't get oily. I have a few summertime makeup videos, so make sure to check those out. Just want to bronze up my face a little bit more, so I'm using my all-time favorite Gucci bronzer. Then finishing up the brows with the LA Girl pencil. The drugstore has some amazing eyebrow pencils, and I actually did a dupes video, so make sure to watch that. It's coming out soon. Adding some gel so my eyebrow hairs stay in place. And I want to do a light lip, so I'm using the Rare Beauty lip liner, and then going in with the Rare Beauty gloss. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, which makes your lips a little bit plumper. And now you have a gorgeous makeup look on your hooded eyes. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this winged liner technique. I find it to just be a lot softer and more forgiving, especially on hooded eyes. What was your favorite part of this video and what did you learn? If you like this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other new makeup tutorials. And if you want to become a pro at hooded eye makeup, check out my online course at mckaysmakeup.com. Check out my other hooded eye makeup tips and learn more makeup techniques that will help enhance your natural beauty.